Hi Doonistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video guys is going to be an unboxing. So if you are interested in seeing what is in the box, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so today's video is going to be a very small unboxing. As you can see, it is a small box, so I'm pretty sure that you can guess what it is. So let's just get to it. So as you can see here, I do have a little clue here. I do have my Dooney Bourke pebbled leather Ashton tote in the color Kelly green, and if you have not checked out the unboxing on this beautiful bag, then I will leave a link down below for you to check out that video and also my first impressions. So during the last sale, they had some items that were really good priced. I think it was 30% off if I'm not mistaken. And so I decided to pick up this little item, and here is my packing slip, and here is the item. As you can see guys, it is the pebbled leather Kiss coin purse, and it also is in the color Kelly green. I will admit I am not, or was not, a huge fan of the Kiss coin purses. I don't know, I really didn't know what to do with it. So I guess that's why I was a little on the fence about these little purses, but I have come to love them. So as you can see, it is in the beautiful color Kelly green, and it matches my Kelly green Ashton here. I am absolutely starting to love these cute little purses, just as like a little tech pouch to put my headphones or phone chargers and stuff in. And as you can see, very nice size. Okay guys, so let's just do a quick what's in my bag. I just packed just a couple of items so you can see what fits in the Ashton. So here is how I have her packed right now. As you can see, not much. I am a girl who doesn't carry much at all. So let's just see. So the first thing I have is my Dooney Bourke Doodle large zip around wallet. And you guys, I absolutely love this wallet. The first reason is because it is so large and it has tons of colors in it. As you can see here, it will coordinate with pretty much any bag in your collection. So in my unboxing of this wallet, a few of you asked if the larger smartphones will fit in here, and I do have a case here for an iPhone X Max. So it is one of the larger ones, and as you can see, it fits perfectly, and it still has tons of room here. You can also fit it in the little zipper compartment here, and it zips up perfectly with no bulk. So this is the first item that I have in the bag, and the second item is my large Dooney Bourke cosmetics case. I picked this up probably 5 or 6 years ago at the outlet. I wish I had picked up another one just as a spare, but let me just share with you what I have in here. This is kind of like a catch-all. I have some Josie Maran lotion. I have just a body brush that I use just to kind of help keep my blood circulating. Very good, nice and relaxing brush. I have some Mary Kay satin hands that I like to use. I have a toothbrush, and then I just have some different kinds of tea. I am a tea freak. I have lemon ginger. I have green tea ginger. I have some decaffeinated green tea. And then also another green tea ginger. And I have my headphones, which I plan to put in my Kiss coin purse. I have, let's see, some Tiger Balm that I have here that I used after my accident. It helped to relieve my muscles. Very, very good cream or salve. I have some dental floss. I have my Clippa and my Suz Duck here that I always carry around. Let's see, I have some emery boards. And then lastly, I have just a little eye pouch here. When I was at the office before all of this stuff started going on, I normally go and sit at the park for lunch. And I normally just put this over my eyes and take a little nap. And so that is all that I have in there. And you guys, these things are absolutely amazing, these cosmetics cases, the clear ones, because you can see what's inside, and you can also pack it, stuff it as much as you need to, because it holds tons. So the next thing that I have in my bag is just a little homemade little journal that I made here. And I just plan to use this when I want to say a prayer, or if I just want to jot down something inspirational. So let's do this really quick. Let's pack our little Kiss coin purse. And I will just take everything out. And then what I can put in here is my teas. They will fit nicely right there on the side. My dental floss. And then my headphones. That's what I can put in there right now. Okay. So now let's just repack her with my cosmetics case. As you can see, still plenty of room. My doodle wallet, we'll put that right in the front, right there. My Kiss coin purse, let's see, we still have room to slip that right next to the wallet. As you can see, that fits nicely. And then I will put my little journal behind the cosmetics case. You can see it against that back wall. And I normally don't put water in my bags, but if you wanted to put a bottle of water, I just want to show you how it will fit. And you guys, you still have room in here. So let's see, a little bit heavy, of course, because we have that water bottle in there, but still not bad. Not bad, guys. Here we go. Not bad at all. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of my little Kiss coin purse, and also just share with you a quick what's in my bag, because I know I promised you guys a what's in my bag during the unboxing. So I did a post in my Facebook group yesterday about storage and how we store our bags, and I posted a photo of some of my storage here on the back. You guys have seen this setup before. I normally decorate it by season, but I have not done that yet. I did take some bags out and kind of move some things around, and I conditioned all the ones back here, and I also have some here on the floor that is next up in line. So let me just share with you really quick my little storage or display. It's more like a display because like I said, during the seasons, the change of seasons, I normally decorate and maybe have between 10 to 12 bags displayed back here. So let me just share with you what I have going on right now. Okay guys, so I am going to warn you, this is a mess. And again, I took these bags out to condition them. I normally do a rotation every 3 to 6 months. And this was my first round of conditioning. And as you can see, here is my second round here. On the floor, I have some Florentines as well as some pebbled leather, all weather leather, and I have a Vanessa there. Right here is just all of the accessories that I have used for the last several months. And so I will put those back in their proper storage place. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.